Welcome to a deep dive into India's 28,000 crore beauty market. In this video, I'll walk you through what's really happening behind the scenes in India's beauty and personal care industry, and why this space is full of opportunities for founders like you. Here's what we'll explore: an overview of the market, what's driving growth, why startups are entering this space, the funding landscape, maturity levels, emerging niches, how to stand out, and finally, what to watch out for. Let's get started. India's beauty market stands at about 28,000 crore or $28 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach nearly $48.5 billion by 2033. That's a CAGR of over 5.3%. Skincare leads the way, making up 35.5% of the market. Haircare follows at 27.3%, color cosmetics at 18.5%, and fragrances at 8.4%. One important shift: smaller cities are driving rapid growth thanks to the rise of e-commerce. What's powering this surge? First, digital adoption. Online beauty sales are growing at a blistering 29% CAGR. Second, influencer marketing now consumes nearly 40% of digital marketing budgets. Then there's rising demand for natural Ayurvedic products. On top of that, premium beauty is projected to hit $3 to $3.2 billion by 2028. Millennials and Gen Z, together over one-third of India's population, are leading this transformation. Founders are entering this space for four big reasons. 1. Low entry barriers, thanks to contract manufacturing and D2C models. 2. The rise of niche positioning, from ingredient-led to gender-neutral and regional brands. 3. Creator-led launches are enabling rapid traction. And 4. This category offers high margins and strong scalability, making it VC-friendly. Let's talk numbers. Beauty startups raised $655 million in 2021, with Mamaearth and Good Glam leading the charge. 2022 saw $498 million in funding. Even as the pace slowed to $253 million in 2023 and $247 million in 2024, investor confidence remained high, with brands like Plum, Caffeine, and Pilgrim raising multi-million-dollar rounds. In 2025 so far, we've already seen $49 million raised. The ecosystem remains active, with top investors like Sequoia, Fireside, and Unilever Ventures betting big. The mass market is now saturated. With too many similar players, customer retention costs are rising, but there are clear gaps: personalized skincare powered by AI, teen-specific skincare, anti-aging products, and region-specific Tier 3 or Tier 4 brands. The premium segment is especially under-penetrated compared to global benchmarks. That's a huge opportunity. Let's zoom in to where the next wave might come from. First, men's grooming, a category growing at 12% CAGR. Second, AI and AR-led personalization like skin diagnostics and virtual try-ons. Third, ingredient-led brands. Think niacinamide, bakuchiol, or ceramides as the hero. And finally, regional D2C brands that use local languages and heritage ingredients to speak directly to emerging markets. In a cluttered market, how do you stand out? Start with trust and transparency. Clean labels, certifications, and honest communication. Be founder-led. Consumers trust real stories. Innovate in packaging, from sustainable options to trial-size formats. Go omnichannel. Combine D2C with offline retail experiences. And craft a cultural hybrid. Fusing Ayurveda with modern science can create unique resonance. Here's a recap. India's BPC market is booming. Online channels and influencer marketing are changing the game. Men's grooming and beauty tech are breakout segments. And the winning brands are built on trust, authenticity, and consistency across every touchpoint. Before you launch, consider these. Regulations are evolving with stricter testing norms. Sustainability is non-negotiable. Consumers can spot greenwashing. Global competition is heating up, but so is the export opportunity for Indian brands. And finally, be cautious with channel strategy. Over-dependence on D2C without profitability can hurt long-term sustainability. Every insight shared here is backed by credible sources: BDO India, IMARC, RedSeer, Inc. 42, Grandview Research, and others. You'll find the full references in the last slide. Thanks for watching. If you're building a brand in this space, let's talk. At Studio 11KV, we help founders create brands that earn trust and drive long-term growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe